Hello, this is Loredana from Italy. Would you like cooking simple Italian dishes the way Italians do? Do you like pesto? Then come with me. I'll show you a traditional Ligurian recipe you love. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare some delicious Trofie con pesto alla Ligure. So let's see what you are going to need to do it. You are going to need some Trofie. Best choice for this recipe will be fresh pasta. And then some pesto. Today I'm going to use some prepared pesto. You can easily find in a grocery store. Make sure to choose a good quality. But I strongly recommend you to make your homemade pesto. It's easy and it is worthwhile tasted with your Trofie. It is one of the most and typical tastes of Italy. If you want, you can watch my video Pesto Genovese. Then you are going to need some potatoes and some green beans. That's all. These are all the ingredients you need to prepare your Trofie con pesto alla Ligure. So let's start, come with me. Oh, by the way, you'll see an unusual way to cook your Trofie today. We are going to cook our Trofie together with the potatoes and green beans. I'll show you. Okay, first of all, after cleaning your vegetables, I'll show you how to cut your potatoes and green beans. You cut your potato in half and then in little cubes. Then, after removing the ends of your little beans, you cut them in half. In the meanwhile, you take a big pan filled with water, let it up to boiled water, and put a generous sprinkling of salt. Okay, the water is boiling. I put some salt, and then I put my potatoes. Let it cook for a few minutes, and then you put your little beans. After a few minutes, you can put your green beans. Let your vegetables cook for about 5-6 minutes. So, after about 5 minutes, you can put your Trofie and keep on cooking all together for your Trofie cooking time. In my case, is about 5 minutes. I say about 5 minutes because I recommend you to cook it al dente. So it's worth it to taste it a few minutes before the cooking ending time. Al dente means it should be a little bit hard when you chew it. Very important, before draining your pasta, make sure you save a bowl or a cup of salted cooking water. Like this. Save it a few minutes before your Trofie are ready. This cooking water will help you to whisk your Trofie and gently combine it with the other ingredients and with the pesto. In the meanwhile, you pour your pesto in a big bowl, and when your Trofie are cooked, you drain them and put them in this bowl with your pesto. Put also just a bit of salted cooking water and stir it before putting your Trofie. Now mix all the ingredients together and stir it. You put some salted cooking water to help all the ingredients are well tied together on a sort of cream. Okay, all done. Enjoy your Trofie con pesto alla Ligure. Oh, by the way, add some grated Parmesan at the end if you like. Did you like this recipe? Then follow me. I want to let you experience all the simplicity of the Italian cuisine, for you to say, I know how to cook Italian. Make the secrets of the Italian way of cooking yours. Taste of Italy to all of you. Bye!